3 AI tools that will save you time and money. When you run a business, time is money. That's why, as entrepreneurs, we're always focused on setting tasks, goals, and optimizing our schedules to make more money or save more time daily. Today, I want to share with you my top 3 AI tools that can help you do both, so you and your team can communicate better and focus on what matters most, launch more offers or products, and make more lazy money. On this channel, we talk about creating an online business that gives you freedom, leverages AI, and connects to your Ikigai. Let's start with my favorite tool. Tool 1, Spoke. Get your tools to communicate together. Many businesses use 5 to 10 tools daily, such as Google, Zoom, Slack, Notion, Figma, and Miro, but the problem is they aren't integrated into one ecosystem. This can lead to wasted time and lost information, and having so many tools, how are you supposed to even keep up? This is why Spoke is my top 1 tool and amazing. It solves this problem by integrating with your tech stack and creating a to-do list based on your conversations and chats that you have with all of these business tools. It turns conversations into clear tasks and labels them so you always know if a message is an update or a new task, and it helps you get those tasks completed. You can also customize Spoke to fit your team's unique needs, starting with AI algorithm to notification settings. When you have notifications, messages, this tool can save you over 12 to 15 hours each week. You can start with their free version, which includes a Slack message summarizer. Tool 2, your new personal assistant, Reclaim. Reclaim generates personalized schedules based on your tasks and habits, and even better, becomes your personal assistant. It starts from gathering data from the tools or programs that you use. It integrates with popular tools like Trello, Monday, Slack, Asana, ClickUp, Todoist, and Zoom, using the data to prioritize your tasks. Then the tool keeps an eye on all the data you're using and decides which tasks are the most important. Reclaim helps you achieve work-life balance by syncing with both work and personal calendars, giving you a clear overview of your schedule and more free time. When you have a tool like Reclaim, work becomes more optimized, more clearer, and much more easier. You can start with their free plan, which includes integrations with Slack, Zoom, and Google Meet. So now we have streamlined your calendar and communication. What about time? The third tool, Timely. Ancient saying, time is the scarcest resource, and unless it is managed, nothing else can be managed. This is an ancient saying for business. Timely eliminates the need for manual time tracking methods by automatically recording time spent across your web and desktop apps. Timely also helps you with every bill in detail in your organization and projects, and make sure no valuable work goes missing. When you use Timely, it automatically gives you a daily breakdown of your activities and a snapshot of your work day. You just need to set up Timely, work like you usually do, and it automatically records time. It tracks every detail in your projects, ensuring no valuable work goes untracked. Timely provides an exact daily breakdown of your activities and a snapshot of your entire workday, helping you regain dozens of hours each week. If you want more AI tools for your business, then subscribe to our YouTube for free tips. These AI tools will help you save time and money. And talking about time, did you know you can bulk create 1,000 YouTube shorts in just a few minutes with AI? Click on the video appearing right now to see how you can do that in just 20 minutes. See you in the next video.